Voice control door. Jumper wires. Arduino Uno with cable. Bluetooth Module. H05. Servo motor. Now, connecting servo motor with jumper wires. Red wire is connected to blue. Brown wire is connected to white. Signal wire is connected to violet. Now, connect Bluetooth module with jumper wires. Yellow wire connect to VCC. Brown wire connect to GND. Red wire connect to TXD. Orange wire connect to RXD. Logic implementation.
This code controls a servo motor using the HC05 Bluetooth module. The Arduino waits for data from Bluetooth. When a command is received, it reads and displays it on the serial monitor. If the phone sends 1, the servo moves to 90 degrees, opening the gate. If the phone sends 0, the servo moves back to 0 degrees, closing the gate.
Connecting Arduino Uno with PC to upload code. Uploading done. Connections. Connect Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno. Yellow wire connect to 5 volts pin. Brown wire connect to GND pin ground. Orange wire connect to D11. Red wire connect to D10. No connect servo motor with Arduino. Blue wire is connected to 5 volts. White wire is connected to GND ground. Violet wire is connected to D9. How to connect with Bluetooth. 1. Search Bluetooth and connect. 2. Open Arduino Bluetooth controller app. 3. Go to setting. 4. Then vocal commands. Z commands. Z commands. Connection check.
Open door. Close.
Final project in action.
Open door. Close. Open door.
For the best quality electronic components, project kit, robotic parts and maker supply, choose Nirman Electronic Shop. We are committed to providing reliable product, dependable customer support and the best prices for all your electronic needs. Visit Nirman Electronic Shop today and start building your next amazing project. Thank you.